Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
Tahavvur Hussain Rana, the accused in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks, was extradited to India from the United States on Thursday. The US Justice Department released images of Rana in a beige prison-issued uniform, escorted by US Marshals as he was formally handed over to officials from India's Ministry of External Affairs at a secure facility on April 9th. He was subsequently transferred to the National Investigation Agency (NIA) headquarters. The agency stated that Rana will remain in its custody for 18 days. During this period, investigators will conduct a detailed interrogation to uncover the full scope of the 2008 conspiracy, which led to the deaths of 166 people and injured over 238 others. The White House confirmed on Thursday that the United States has increased tariffs on Chinese imports to a record 145%. The sharp hike follows a new executive order signed by President Donald Trump, which raised existing tariffs from 84% to 125%, along with an additional 20% levy targeting fentanyl-related goods. In response, China announced on Friday that it will raise tariffs on American products from 84% to 125% effective Saturday. This move comes after President Xi Jinping urged the European Union to align with Beijing in resisting what he termed unilateral bullying, a direct reference to the aggressive tariffs imposed by the US administration. Delhi Capital's wicketkeeper batter KL Rahul has officially entered the list of the top 10 run scorers in the Indian Premier League history as of April 10th. He surpassed current Kolkata Knight Riders captain Ajinkya Rahane and former Royal Challengers Bengaluru player Dinesh Karthik. Since making his IPL debut in 2013, KL Rahul has accumulated 4,868 runs in 135 matches and 126 innings. He holds an impressive average of 46.36 and a strike rate of 135.67. His career highlights include 4 centuries and 39 half-centuries with a personal best of 132 not out. This milestone places him as the 10th highest run getter in the league's history. Exciting news for Indian cinema as filmmaker Neeraj Gaiwan's upcoming film Homebound, starring Janhvi Kapoor and Ishaan Khattar, has been officially selected for the 78th Cannes Film Festival in 2025. The film will be showcased under the prestigious Uncertain Regards section, which highlights artistic and innovative storytelling from around the world. The announcement came on Thursday as the Cannes Film Festival revealed its official lineup, which also features internationally acclaimed filmmakers such as Wes Anderson and Ari Aster. On April 9, the US stock markets witnessed a major rally following President Trump's announcement of a 90-day tariff suspension for most countries, excluding China. The S&P 500 soared by 9.5%, closing at 5,456.90, its biggest gain since October 2008. The Dow Jones Industrial Average surged 2,962.86 points, or 7.9%, finishing at 40,608.45, marking its strongest day since March 2020. However, the rally was short-lived. By Thursday, US markets reversed course with the Dow Jones falling by 1,014 points and the Nasdaq sliding by 4.5%. Meanwhile, the Indian indices saw a sharp rally on Friday, mirroring the earlier US rally. The Sensex rose 1,310 points to 75,157 and Nifty gained 429.40 points to 22,828.